Hey guys, this is a video on surface area of pyramids. This is typically a 6th grade. In the past, it's been a 7th grade standard. Basically, it's a middle grade standard of how to find surface area of pyramids. Alright, so let's get started. A pyramid is typically has one base on the bottom, and it comes up to a single point. It's a little bit different than a prism. A prism, much like this iPhone charger, this block, this is kind of like a prism. It's got two bases, the one on top, the one on the bottom here. So that's a prism. But a pyramid, it might have a square base or a triangular base, but it's going to come up to a single point. So what we call a vertex. Now if you were to unfold this into like what we call a diagram, a net diagram, or a net, you'll notice that the base is one shape, and then the sides, what we call lateral faces, the sides, are going to be 4 triangles. That's for a square pyramid. Now if this was a triangular base, it would have 3 triangles. Okay, it would have 3 sides, but the base would also be a triangle, obviously be 4 triangles combined. But this one's a square pyramid. So you've got the square base and the 4 triangles, and what we're going to do is we're going to find out what's the area of each of those figures. Okay, so this square base is a 8 by 8. You can see it's 8 here. The base is 8. You know that a square is going to be 8 by 8. So an 8 by 8 is going to be 64. Let's call this centimeters squared. That's going to be for the base. So 8 times 8 is 64. And then you've got 4 triangles of the same exact shape. These are going to have the exact same shape. So if you find the area of one of those triangles, you're going to multiply by 4 and then add it to the base to find your total surface area. So the base is 8. We know that the area of a triangle is area equals base times height divided by 2, or 1/2 of the base times height. So base times height is 40. 8 times 5 is 40. 40 divided by 2 is 20. So this is going to be 20 centimeters squared. That's for each triangle. So this is going to be the same. This is going to be the same. And this is going to be the same. And what we're going to do is we're going to add all 5 surfaces together. 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 is 80. Add that to our base. We get 144 centimeters squared. And this, again, is for the total surface area of this square pyramid. So what I did was I came up with 2 other examples, one that's in your homework and another one that's not. This one here, same thing. You've got four lateral surfaces, 4 triangles, one here, one here, one here, and one in the back that you can barely see. Okay. This triangle is an 18 by 8. So the base, so remember, area of triangle equals base times height divided by 2. So the base is 18, the height is 8. So if this is 18, you know this is 18 as well. So 18 times 8 divided by 2. Okay? And if we do 18 times 8, you would get, let's see, 144. Divide that by 2, that's 72. And this is centimeters, so it's going to be 72 centimeters squared. So that's going to be the area of the triangle. Now we have 4 of them, so what we're going to do is we're going to multiply that by 4 because we have 4 of them. So it's going to be 8, 28, so it's going to be 288 centimeters squared. That's for all 4 sides, right? We still are missing the base. The base is a square. This square is an 18 by 18. So to find the area of a square, we multiply side times side, or what we would call side squared. So it's going to be 18 times 18. And that will be, let's see, 4, 6, again, That's going to be 144, 0, 18, 4, 2, 1, 324. So we're going to add the base plus all the sides combined. So 324 plus 288 is going to get you 612 centimeters squared. That's the total surface area of that prism. Or I should say square pyramid, not prism. Now, I've got another one that's not in your homework. This one here, the base is a square. It's a square base, it's a square pyramid. This is a 4x4, so we know that the square base is a square, obviously. So 4 times 4 is going to be 16. 16 yards squared. And then the sides, the lateral surface area, which is a triangle, is going to be base times height divided by 2. So 4 times 5 divided by 2. So it's going to be 20 divided by 2 is 10. So 10 yards squared. Now before we add these up, we know that this is just one triangle. We've got 4 of them. So we're going to have to multiply this by 4 first before we add this all up. So 40 yards squared for the total surface, total lateral area all the way around. Add that to your square base. So 40 plus 16 is going to be 56 yards squared. That's going to be the total surface area of this square pyramid. Hopefully that makes sense. If you have any further questions, let me know. Keep looking at this video. I did kind of go fast. Hopefully, again, this helps, and I'll catch you guys in the next video, or on Zoom, or wherever else I find you. God bless. Have a great day.